class. Today we are going to learn some fun facts about space. So, what do you know about the sun? Maddy?
The sun is the child of father.
What are you saying? That's wrong.
Okay then. Is it grandson? Great grandson? Michael Jackson?
No, Maddy. The sun, like the moon and the stars. Anyway, let's talk about the moon. Did you know if you weight 100 kgs on the earth, you will weight 16 kgs on the moon?
Wow! Maybe we should send my uncle there. He always wanted to lose weight.
Maddy, stop joking around. You need to be prepared before we send you to space.
But ma'am, I don't need any more space. My house is very big.
Not that kind of space. Outer space. To see the stars.
That's so exciting! Which star do we get to see? Shah Rukh Khan? Salman Khan?
Not film stars. Real stars. Don't you know? We are going to send you to the moon.
The moon! How exciting! When does the bus arrive?
Bus? Maddy, the moon is lakhs of kilometers away from our planet.
But ma'am, I can see the moon from here. It's not so far away.
Be quiet, Maddy. Now, did you know that from many days, every month, the moon is not visible from the earth?
What? The moon disappears?
Yes, the moon disappears.
No. I won't want to disappear. I won't be an astronaut. Goodbye. My goodness, space travel is so dangerous. Anyway, my uncle told me last Diwali that rocket causes pollution. Best not to be a part of this.
Maddy, I need you to send some mail for me.
Some mail. But I don't see any men standing around here.
Not male, Maddy.
Then female?
No.
Email?
No. I need you to send a letter.
Oh, which letter, uncle? A, B, C or D?
Maddy, stop it. Just take this envelope to the post office and tell the clerk it need to reach as soon as possible.
Hello? This need to be sent as soon as possible.
Okay, we will have to send it by air.
By air? Then why am I at the post office? I should have gone to the airport.
No, we'll send it from here. Now, do you have the address?
Ma'am, I am a man. Why would I have a dress?
Not a dress. Address. Forget it. Just take this letter, stamp it, write your name and put it in the box outside.
Well, that sounds easy.